Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make a payment using the CommBank mobile app. First, open the CommBank app on your app and log in into your account. Once you're done logging in into your account, tap on Payment or Pay from the main menu. Choose the account you want to pay from. Then select an existing payee or add a new payee. Enter the payment amount and description. Review the details carefully and confirm the payment. You will see a confirmation once the payment is successful, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.